Well, welcome to the channel, everybody. It's the 15th of March. We had a wicked, well, it wasn't a wicked storm, windy storm yesterday. We only got about 7-8 inches of snow, but the problem is the ground isn't, I mean, you can see, just water everywhere, nothing's froze. So I've been out here and I've snowblowed. Got the dog pen so they can run a little bit. And as you can see with the trees, it's looks like a winter wonderland out here. Not as good as it did the last storm, because most of it up in the top blew off. But you can see over in the back side, that's in the lee side of the hill there, because it was a northeaster, which is that way. So this side here, you can see where the snow dropped out on that hill over there. Everything's nice and white. And yet you can see the north side of this hill here, there's no snow on it. It's kind of funny, the contrast. But yeah, so Carol's gonna let the dogs out here in a minute. We'll see how happy they are. There's Moxie. How you guys doing, huh? Yeah. They'll get tearing around here in a little bit, but they gotta check out the run. They think it's changed every time they come out. Oh, I guess she's been holding for quite a while. Yeah, just about to the height of Diesel's back. Yeah, they like it. As you can see there's not much on the roof on the north side, which is good. So, I'll show you some neat snow stuff here in a little bit. Because Diesel, he's always got to be in the deep snow. Diesel! What are you doing? Yeah. He doesn't mind the deep snow. It's hard for him to go, but Moxie, she's a little more dainty. She don't want to get up on it. Anyway, the dogs don't want to cooperate. So all I got left to do is plow this little section. I'm not going to plow anymore just because it's so soft. We've got the greenhouses, we can get into them. But I got to plow this piece here off so that they can get the oil truck in here. So they're going to be bringing an oil load here probably probably next week. So it'll be the second load for this truck, this greenhouse. As you can see, the old wind, she blew. Not much settled on top of the vehicles. I'll show you this building down below here where I just plowed, if I can get down over this mass without falling. But you can tell that you have a lot of wind when stuff starts just driving it right onto the wood. It's kind of an odd snowstorm. It looks like there's a lot of snow here, but there's really only about 8 inches. This is a mound about a foot deep because, well, nothing's froze and I just picked the blade up over it. I like this. I told Carol, I said, that's going to make a natural wind tunnel here on the northeast and I won't have to shovel, and it does work that way. So, but I wanted to show you this, all the snow. A lot of it's actually started to melt, but yeah, there's snow all the way to the back in there. Look at that pulley back there. That's to the back wall. We really had a lot of snow. Kind of interesting. Old Wisconsin, Stover back there. That actually belongs to a friend of mine down in Gorham. Just got to get it out. But the old John Deere, you know, I'm sure it would start right up, but we don't worry too much about it today. Yeah, spring snowstorm. pain in the butt. Hopefully from now on they rain, but Alan, the neighbor there, he's got a big sugaring operation, and he says it'll prolong the sap run. It must probably hold back on the trees budding out, because as soon as they bud out, then the taste gets off. So yeah, probably gonna have a good season. Hope he does. It's one of those things. He's in a business as a crapshoot every year, but so anyway, yeah, I'm gonna let this little video be done. Just a short one, just to the snowstorm. I didn't take any yesterday because I was in the middle of doing that electrical video, and I wanted it to just be that. So, you know, the wind was howling and everything yesterday. Could have had some good video, but you know how it is. We'll see you in the next one. Safe, everybody.